Overlooking the D'Entrecasteaux Channel, Killora Bay is a seasonal holiday home designed for a young family and friends. The house siting and form is heavily conditioned by its delicate environmental setting. Populated by a dense canopy of Tasmanian White Gums and stands of grass trees, the site is a sanctuary for the 40 Spotted Pardalote. This necessitated a planning condition limiting the building envelope to a predetermined site and 18 m diameter footprint on the southern corner of the site, which shares a boundary to the road behind. These conditions consolidate the planning response, resulting in a building in the round. The proximity of the established stands of white gum, aspect and slope establish a series of adjacencies, which serve to highlight certain interior relationships and modes of seasonal occupation within the broader site. Thanks for watching, and always remember that your home is a canvas waiting for your personal touch. So go ahead and start creating your dream space today.